Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Razr 60 Ultra to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Following that, choose Allow All in the second pop-up, and whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And hit Receive button to connect. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up, and point your device's camera at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close and add. And as you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!